Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I have something quite special. I have a unboxing to do from a company called PandaHall, PandaHall Selected, who contacted me and asked me if I would, if they could send me some products and if I would give my opinion on them, tell you a little bit about their website, and then make some things using the products that I asked for, which I agreed to do. I was very happy to do that. The site is, everything on there is so beautiful. I really had such a hard time choosing because there were such good prices. The products were just beautiful, and I really wanted to try and choose something. I wanted to try and think of what I wanted to make as I was choosing the products, but it doesn't always go to plan. But I did manage to pick out some things finally. So let's get those out. This is how they came in this envelope. I had to open it up just to see what it was because I've had a couple of packages lately. So let's get the rest of the way in and get these products out and see what's going on. These are the products that I got. I'm going to put them to one side and we're going to open them one by one together. Here they are. And let's start with this box because I feel like this is going to be the one that's going to give me the most trouble to open because it's got that cellophane stuff. And this was 24 pieces of 14 by 10 millimeter oval faceted glass rhinestone sapphires. And these were just too beautiful to pass up. I loved this case and the fact that these came in these case. Obviously, because of that, I am expecting no scratches. I am expecting very nice quality glass rhinestones, and already, before even opening, look at that. Those are gorgeous. And I really love this box. This, eventually, if you didn't get any small ones again, you could quite easily adjust this so you could fit larger stones in it and stop them getting scratched. Let's take one out. Look how beautiful that is. I love the colour change there. I absolutely love these, and I cannot wait to show you what we're going to do with them. I think that's actually the back. I think it was, yeah, that's the front, isn't it? The point is the back. That's the front. They are so beautiful. I am extremely pleased with those. I could not be happier. And like I said, the box is just amazing. You could cut these holes to be a little bit bigger, or even just cut out a hole. I don't know. You could do so much, I think. It's quite thick as well, so you could cut deeper and make it for, like I say, larger stones, if that's what you want to do. Or you can keep refilling it with these smaller stones, but I'm very pleased with those. They are so nice. Brilliant. Yep, I would definitely get those again. They were £13.21 for that box, and that for 24 pieces, I mean, what we're looking at there, 50p a piece ish, 60p a piece. Beautiful. Next, I'm going to open these glass pearls because that's at the top of my list. Actually, let's work up. The next on my list is these. It's 7 colour, although it looks maybe more than that. 7 colour imitation jade glass rondelles in 2 and 3 millimeters. Like there's a mix of 2mm and 3mm in here. And I really like these because there was some neons and there were some pastels, and I do like getting a couple of hanks in, so we've got something good to, we've got a lot to work with, you know. I'm tired of getting small strands where I don't have a lot to work with and it's very limited, the ideas I have. So I wanted something a bit more. These colours are beautiful. These are so nice. Look at these opal looking ones, or opalite looking ones here. Those are really nice. I would even say that some of these are up to 4mm maybe. But some of these are absolutely tiny. There's definitely a range of sizes in here, and a beautiful, beautiful array of colours. And look at that shine and sparkle. They are just beautiful. That was another really good pick, I think. I would say so. And if we go into the holes here, those holes are not sharp at all. Look at that. Just a random place. Go to another random place. Pop it open. Pop it open. That's lovely smooth cuts, not sharp at all. Beautiful, beautiful quality product here. I'm extremely pleased with those as well. Let's pop those down. And last but not least, oh, those, by the way, were £7.68. So bargain, in my opinion. So was it, how many strands? Maybe that's what it means, 7 strands. So it wasn't 7 colour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's 14 strands there. So maybe there's 2 of each colour, so they did mean colour. But I mean, actually looking at it, that's exactly what's happened. It is 7 types of strands, and you get 2 of each. So that is lovely. Actually, that's an absolute bargain again. That does work out to be just over 50p a strand. And last but not least, these glass pearls. And I don't often get glass pearls. I get put off by buying them because of how easy they can flake. But, you know, I really thought I should give them another go, because they are really nice and they're really inexpensive if you can find the right ones that aren't going to crack and peel. And just glancing over these quickly, I'm really trying to see if there are any that are badly chipped. The paint's chipped. And it doesn't say they're painted. It does say that they are environmentally dyed. So let's get a couple out. Just grab a needle. I'm going to grab one of each colour quickly. There, the paint's chipped away. But that's not bad. 1 out of the amount I have here. I would just, the only way I would be able to tell if that's going to continue to happen is to obviously use them and keep an eye on them and see how they go. So that's the colours that we have. They are very, very beautiful colours, don't get me wrong. And they are perfect for things like earrings that don't get a lot of wear and tear. But I probably won't be using them on rings or bracelets or necklaces. Well, maybe a necklace, actually, because that just sort of... a necklace will just sort of sit on your neck. So even a necklace would be okay, I think. But your wrist and rings, I don't think I will be using these on, because I feel like that's asking for trouble. But they are very pretty, very nice selection of colours, and I'll definitely use them in something. I always do. I can't wait to show you what we're going to do with those. Alright, and that was our PandaHall Selected. Don't forget, there is PandaHall and there is PandaHall Selected. It's PandaHall Selected that contacted me and asked me to open these, and they are slightly different. PandaHall Selected is an extension of PandaHall. If you want these products, you will need to use the PandaHall Selected tab that will be at the top along with the rest of the tabs. But I will leave the links and everything in the description anyway. Thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you would like to be notified when I make the next videos, so you can see what we're going to make with these beautiful products. I'm really excited to get started. Like I say, I've had a lot of I've had a lot of packages lately and I'm very excited to sort them all out and dig into everything. Thank you for joining me. Please take care. Bye bye then.